Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you inside the world of modern minimalism with a house that redefines luxury through the raw, industrial beauty of concrete aesthetics. Ready to explore the harmony of strength and sophistication? Let's dive in. Concrete has evolved from a humble construction material to a bold design statement. Its versatility, durability, and understated elegance make it a top choice for modern architecture. This house celebrates simplicity. The exposed concrete walls, clean lines, and neutral tones exude a modern and timeless appeal, proving that less really is more. Concrete may seem heavy, but paired with natural light, it transforms into a canvas of warmth and texture. Floor-to-ceiling windows soften its rugged appeal, creating a space that feels alive. In the kitchen, concrete takes center stage with polished countertops and a monolithic island. Its durability and low-maintenance nature make it as functional as it is stylish. The bedrooms strike a balance between bold and serene. Concrete walls are softened by warm lighting, wooden accents, and plush textiles, creating a tranquil retreat. Concrete bathrooms redefine luxury. From smooth walls to custom sinks and bathtubs, the material's natural tones pair beautifully with minimalist fixtures for a spa-like experience. Concrete extends into the outdoors, seamlessly blending the home with its surroundings. Concrete patios, planters, and walkways create a unified and modern landscape. A house with concrete aesthetics is more than a design choice. It's a lifestyle. It's about embracing simplicity, durability, and a connection to the raw beauty of materials. So what do you think of this modern masterpiece? Are you ready to embrace the raw beauty of concrete in your home? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design inspiration.